What is inside this D-Link Wi-Fi camera? Let's find out. So this is some old surveillance camera, micro USB 2.0. This is like tripod connection. There's some buttons, reset button, and a micro SD. How do we get this open? Once again, I think the answer lies behind this sticker. Let's see. Ooh, no bolt. There is a bolt, yeah. It's always hidden behind the sticker. The pros, electronic scrappers, they know this. Okay, get this off. Small bolt, really small bolt, but I think its size is good. Boom, bolt number 1. Ooh, so small. It's good to save these bolts if you're doing some projects, so you can reuse them. These kind of bolts cost a lot of money in the store. So, and the second bolt. Does it come off now? Oh, there is actually in the tripod connection 1 extra bolt, so let's get rid of that one as well. Boom. And how does it come off? Sometimes you have to force it from the sides. It's kind of annoying, but let's see. Oh, it's really tight. I think it would stay closed even without the bolts, so if you lose the bolts for this one, doesn't matter. It will stay closed easy mode. Oh, we have some foam here. Look, squishy and sticky at the same time. Is this for heat transfer or is this only for the protection? I don't know. Yeah, look. Ew. Throw this into the garbage. Yeah, black board. So that means it's more advanced than the typical green ones, I think. Get more bolts here. Oh, my hands are sticky from that foam thing. What is it? If somebody knows what that foam thing is, please comment below. Is it like hazardous toxic material? Because it kind of smelled bad as well, so. Yep. Only 2 bolts and it comes right off. Ooh. More sponges here. Come on, get them off already. Ew. I threw it straight in the trash bin. That was like 3 meters away. I'm a basketball player. Yeah, so there's some more boards here. Let's open it first. This is currently the bolt number 6. So they didn't save bolts when they made this device. What lies beneath this small thing? Ooh, this one actually. Oh, what is this? Is this the infrared vision or something like that? I think that might be the infrared vision. It's hidden behind here, like this. Interesting. So funny inside, like this. That's a good thumbnail picture, but yeah. Let's see what we're working with. Oh, they have even more bolts here, like 8 bolts total. And it's so small that my screwdriver can't even reach it, so we have to change the tools here a little bit. Let's get the smaller tool. This is so convenient screwdriver, you can just change it like this. Boom. I don't know, I bought it for 10 years, like 20 years ago for real, and it's still working. And it has a magnet, so yep, this is convenient. Yep, ooh, really small bolt. So the camera module is really simple like this. I don't know if you can use this. Oh, you can actually see through it. Camera shapes. Look, it's upside down. The vision is upside down. Wow, this is interesting. So plug this into some electronics and you can reuse it. Ooh, the camera, like what is it, the processor, or I don't know what it's called, but this is that generates the image. So nice. And oh, Realtek processor here. What else they have here? Realtek also chip here. And on the front, EGD, some kind of chip, Nanya, and yeah, there's some gold here. That's good. I think if you take this to the scrapyard, they will pay a lot for this chip because they have like so many advanced technologies here. What is this random tape here? Nothing really that you can take off right now. And these small connectors, this one you can maybe use some other project, like pretty common, but this is what's really interesting me, like how are they making the infrared vision? Oh, you can actually take these bolts off as well. Let's try it. So currently we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bolts in one camera. So no, there's more, 11 and 12. Boom, and last piece of bolts. Is infrared harmful for humans? I don't know. I took the bolts off, but it's okay, it comes off. Oh, this one actually aluminium, so put this in the aluminium stock, recycle easy mode. I guess these kind of small metal things, they send some kind of wave that you can see in the dark without actually putting the light. So I don't know, you can put this in some other electronics. Free infrared chips right here. I don't know if they're valuable or not, but yeah. This was D-Link Wi-Fi camera. Interesting product inside. I like it. Yeah, thanks for watching this e-scrapping video or whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I will see you guys in the next video, and leave a like, subscribe and comment. And yeah, thanks for watching.